Hello again. We are starting the video for the power tools reselling advices. You can see that I have prepared this one in a previous video, but now we need to be prepared for the sale. And of course we will start from brushing the dust. Now I will use the harder brush. Now we need to apply the dash and text screen cleaner. We can check if we got some dirt out of it. Yeah, we got something. Now I'll brush all the tool. Okay, grind the tool out and we'll try to remove the concrete from the handle head gaps. You outside for the gloves. Okay, we have the concrete or some dirt here, and you can see that you can easily remove it with a flat screwdriver. Handle looks really better now. Have some dirt here. And basically, as for the hammer, we have prepared it for the selling. We have some marker signs here. I will try to clean them with the adhesive residue remover. Oh, it's okay, it's not going. about it for this one, it's just like that. We have cleaned it, it looks better, and now of course the handle needs some attention. For the handle it's pretty simple, just brushing it and mounting it on a tool. Okay, that's good. This one is ready for selling, and I hope I will sell it fast. Thank you for watching. Bye.